Hey there YouTube, it is Saturday the 26th of October 2019, about 10:52 in the morning, and I am going to give the Skydio the most ultimate test I've given it yet. So let's get this thing around here. I'm out at Lake Deweese in a very treed area. I want to see if I can get it to go through here and follow me without any problems. And so far, it is. So starting off a little bit gentle here, if you will. Just, trees on either side of me. Now, let's try something a little trickier. Let's go over here where this campfire is at. Right here beside me. Okay. Just walk down through here. Come down through this way. You can see there's rocks, trees, everything. And still coming along. Alright. Let's go ahead and walk out here on these rocks up here. And let's see. Not too bad of a view, right? Alright, let's head back down into the trees. And let's see what she does here. Let's go down this way. Making some noise back there. I tell you what, I'm going to walk up this gully. Here. Let's go up this gully here. So far, so good. Boy, coming through some dangerous areas, I gotta tell you. Ooh. Got a little bit low that time. Okay, let's see. I'll walk on this side of this tree. I'm gonna walk up here. Let's see how it does. See, I'm pretty shaded. But it's keeping me. Alright. Let's try this one then, okay? Here's a tree right here to my right. And then this one. Okay, I'm just going to double back. Go through these two. Okay, this is the road back where I kind of started up there. And look at the shade I'm in. And it's still doing a fantastic job. Alright. Tell you what, let's get it to lead me. Alright, I'm going to go this way. There it goes. It just skimmed around some trees. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is truly the ultimate test. I am absolutely amazed here. There's more trees over there. Let's see what she does. Let's see if she can keep up with me. Alright. There she goes. Alright. I'm going to walk through a few more of these trees. Man, it did that so easy peasy. I'm going to trick it a little bit. I'm going to go over here. There it goes. It went around the tree. All right. And there's one more little test. Let's see, we're down to 50% battery life. All right, boy, just go through here easily. I'm gonna go back this way. And there it goes, around several trees. Wow, the Skydio is truly amazing. All right, I gotta do one last thing, and we'll see if it can orbit me as I walk without beating itself into trees. It's getting close to points, but it's doing it. Skydio, you are truly one of a kind. You are absolutely one of a kind, I gotta tell you. You truly amaze me. Wow. It barely missed that tree, but that's the point. It did miss it. All right, let's go out here, get us some mountain views. Hey, see how close I just came to that tree? All right, check this out. Watch the mountains. Right out there. Huh? Is that cool or is that cool? All right. Absolutely crazy. All right, down to 34% battery life. I'm going to stop this. And we're going to hand catch it. So let me get behind it and let's land.